and shooting for Rudy tonight. Don't retribute it, everything is alright. Rudy, the message is very clear, I can see by the stars above. Rudy's in love. You can stay at home when the other rude boys go to Shantytown. You'll be having fun while the other rude boys are still